Hey there, welcome into another episode of Product of the Week. My name is Spencer and today we're going to be looking at the ultimate DVD library organizer. It is the Sony 400 disc DVD player, model number DVP-CX995V. This is perfect if you're limited on space and have a lot of DVDs. All of your discs will be protected from scratches and getting dirty because they're going to be inside of this machine. It'll load DVDs, recordable DVDs and CDs, regular CDs, SACDs, data CDs, and so much more. The HDMI connection on the back will ensure that it works with most of today's modern systems. On the front of the Explorer, there is a power button in the upper left-hand corner. Below that, there are 3 light indicators to show the HDMI, the SACD, and multi-channel functionality. Below that is a screen that tells you what's going on inside. You can toggle the display on and off. The display can be switched between time and text. There is a picture mode button, the repeat function control, load button, folder control, and 1/all discs button. The load button will automatically load every single disc and save the disc type, title, and other text information if it is available on the disc. The folder button will allow you to access and edit the folders and disk information. The 1/all discs button will switch between playing one disc and all discs. Next, you have a large curved door. This opens up and gives you access to about 30 disc slots. To the right of there is a open button and an eject button. The eject button will eject a specific slot for easy removal. Then the play, pause, and stop button are to the right. Below that is the menu and navigation controls. The jog dial to the right will control the disc slot and the search function. The +100 button will make it easier to rotate the carousel quickly. On the rear panel of the player, there is an optical and coaxial digital audio connection, 5.1 channel audio, 2 composite AV connections, 2 S-video connections, component video, and HDMI. The system sports a remote control for operation from a distance. The dimensions of this masterpiece are 17 inches wide by 20.5 inches deep and 7.5 inches tall. An awesome and unique system like this is sure to take your movie night to the next level with easy breezy movie selection, and you will no longer need to worry about looking for a movie that was misplaced. You can view this bad boy on our website at SpenCertified.com. The link directly to it will be down below in the description. Thank you for tuning in for our 7th episode of Product of the Week. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of our future content. See you next week.